Actress Evan Rachel Wood was literally dragged by her toenails yesterday after she posted this about Kobe Bryant's untimely death. She tweeted, "What has happened is tragic. I am heartbroken for Kobe's family. He was a sports hero. He was also a rapist. All of these truths can exist simultaneously." Twitter went all the way off. One user replied to her and said, "Don't fake outrage when you've worked with Woody Allen." She defended herself and said that was years ago, and that was before reading Dylan's letter. She said that she wouldn't again. This had people so heated that even a few celebrities spoke out. One NFLer named Dominique Hamilton said, "Fuck all the way off." Dr. Boyce Watkins said, "And you are both a feminist hero and one who wants to lynch black men without a fair trial. All of these truths can exist simultaneously." Actress Kyla Pratt responded and said, "Evan, we met as kids, and I grew up in the same industry as you and have admired your work from afar these past few years, on camera and off. But this tweet? How fucking dare you?"